Warning, your legs weaken first. Eat these 10 foods to strengthen them. As the years pass by, a silent transformation occurs within your body that often goes unnoticed until it is far too late to easily reverse. Your legs begin to lose their structural integrity and strength long before you consciously feel a decline in your daily mobility. This subtle, gradual process of muscular degradation eventually manifests as a significant loss of stability and control over your own movements. For a staggering number of aging individuals, this leads to a devastating fall, which stands as the single most common cause of traumatic death and life-altering injury in the elderly population. However, it is vital to understand that this is not an inevitable fate. Through deliberate and simple modifications to your lifestyle, specifically through the strategic consumption of nutrient-dense whole foods, you can actively reverse this process and reclaim your physical independence. Many of the common recommendations found in generic health content are superficial, misleading, and fundamentally flawed. Creators who simply list random foods, often suggesting sweet potatoes solely for potassium or oats for basic carbohydrates, frequently lack a comprehensive understanding of human physiology. They often misidentify the root causes of leg weakness, incorrectly labeling sarcopenia as the cause, rather than the descriptive state of muscle loss itself. Muscle health is not merely about consuming energy, it is about providing the precise building blocks for repair, the catalysts for metabolic reactions, and the essential signals required for nerves to communicate with muscular fibers. To maintain strength, you need a holistic perspective that addresses the interconnectedness of your nervous system, metabolic health, and muscle tissue. The importance of maintaining strong legs goes far beyond simply being able to walk. Movement serves as the primary driver for your brain. It acts as a constant stream of information and stimulation that keeps your cognitive faculties sharp. When you lose the ability to move freely, you cease sending those vital sensory signals to your brain, causing the brain itself to undergo a form of atrophy similar to a muscle kept in a cast. The statistics regarding this decline are harrowing. Up to 50% of elderly individuals who suffer a hip fracture lose their lives within the first year, and for those who survive, the vast majority require long-term assistance. Prevention, therefore, is a dual-layered strategy consisting of mechanical stimulation through exercise and biochemical support through high-quality nutrition. Exercise provides the signal and the challenge, while food provides the fuel and the raw materials for reconstruction. When we talk about dietary intervention, we are not advocating for high carbohydrate diets that might spike your blood sugar or exacerbate metabolic issues. Instead, we are looking for optimal fuel sources that accommodate individual metabolic needs. Whether you are a young athlete or a diabetic managing blood sugar, your food must support your neuromuscular health. If your body suffers from chronic, low-grade systemic inflammation or neuroinflammation, your nervous system cannot transmit the signals required for muscle activation. A steak alone is useless if the electrical connection to the muscle is frayed. Leg muscles, in particular, are prone to rapid deterioration because they are rich in fast-twitch fibers, which are more susceptible to atrophy during prolonged periods of inactivity than other muscle groups in the body. The first essential food in your arsenal is the whole egg, provided it is consumed with the yolk. Eggs are packed with leucine, an amino acid that triggers the mTOR pathway, which is the biological master switch for muscle growth. Furthermore, eggs are a dense source of choline, the necessary precursor to acetylcholine, a critical neurotransmitter responsible for muscle contraction. They also provide B12 for nerve signaling and myelin sheath maintenance, along with essential fatty acids like EPA and DHA that are crucial for the health of every cellular membrane in your body. Ideally, you should choose eggs from pasture-raised chickens, as they contain significantly higher levels of these essential nutrients compared to their conventional counterparts. Number 2 on our list is wild-caught salmon and other cold water fatty fish like sardines and mackerel. These are arguably the most potent sources of omega-3 fatty acids, specifically EPA and DHA. These fats are indispensable for modulating systemic inflammation and enhancing muscle protein synthesis in older adults. While farm-raised fish are certainly better than processed alternatives, wild-caught varieties provide a superior ratio of omega-3s, which is vital for cardiovascular and neurological health. Beyond the fats, these fish provide high-quality protein and powerful antioxidants like selenium and astaxanthin, which help protect your mitochondria from the oxidative stress that contributes to muscle breakdown over time. Third, we look at grass-fed beef. This is an unparalleled source of creatine, the compound responsible for the ATP cycle that fuels short, intense bursts of muscle activity. Grass-fed beef is also incredibly rich in highly bioavailable heme iron, which is necessary for hemoglobin production and oxygen transport. Without adequate oxygen, your muscles cannot perform or recover efficiently. Additionally, it contains zinc and B12, supporting both immune function and the integrity of the nerve pathways that trigger muscle movement. Comparing grass-fed to conventional beef, the nutrient profile, specifically the levels of omega-3s, vitamin E, and conjugated linoleic acid, is substantially better in the grass-fed variety, offering more protection against the cellular damage that occurs during aging. Fourth, we turn to full-fat, unsweetened yogurt. A high-quality, fermented Greek yogurt is excellent because the fermentation process reduces the milk sugars, leaving you with a product that supports a healthy gut microbiome. A thriving gut is essential for nutrient absorption. If your digestive system cannot break down your food efficiently, the best diet in the world will not yield results. Furthermore, the probiotics in yogurt help mitigate systemic inflammation, which is a major contributor to the breakdown of musculoskeletal tissue. The calcium content in yogurt is also fundamental for maintaining the mechanical process of muscle contraction and relaxation, ensuring that your legs respond properly to the commands sent by your brain. Fifth, bone broth serves as a foundational element for structural health. It is rich in collagen, which is necessary for the repair and maintenance of joints, tendons, and ligaments. If your joints are in a state of chronic inflammation or degeneration, your brain will instinctively inhibit the activation of the muscles surrounding those joints to prevent further pain, leading to secondary muscle weakness. Bone broth also provides glycine, an amino acid that promotes neurological calm and reduces chronic inflammation, as well as glutamine, which is essential for healing the intestinal lining. By sealing the gut and reducing the leaky gut phenomena, bone broth helps prevent inflammatory compounds from crossing into the bloodstream and reaching the brain, thereby protecting the brain-gut axis. Sixth, we must include non-starchy leafy green vegetables. These are the unsung heroes of the diet, providing a vast array of vitamins, minerals, and polyphenols without an overwhelming load of carbohydrates. They are rich in magnesium and potassium, which are critical for preventing muscle cramps and ensuring proper fluid balance at the cellular level. Moreover, they are high in nitrates, which the body converts into nitric oxide, a molecule that facilitates vasodilation and improves blood flow to the muscles. The diverse plant fibers found in these vegetables also serve as prebiotics, feeding the beneficial bacteria in your gut, which, as previously established, is vital for managing systemic inflammation and optimizing your metabolic health. Number 7 consists of nuts and seeds, which are concentrated sources of magnesium, zinc, and healthy fats. While plant-based omega-3s like ALA are not as efficient as the DHA, EPA found in fish, they still play a role in maintaining a healthy fatty acid balance within the body. These foods provide the necessary fuel for mitochondrial function and support the complex mineral ratios, sodium, potassium, calcium, and magnesium, that your nerves and muscles require to fire correctly. By consuming a variety of these, you ensure that your body has the micronutrient density required to maintain the integrity of your nerve endings and the responsiveness of your muscular system. Eighth, we consider legumes like lentils, chickpeas, and black beans. While these are higher in carbohydrates than the other foods mentioned, They offer significant benefits for those who can tolerate them. They are packed with fiber, protein, and minerals, providing a unique blend of nutrients that support the gut microbiome and facilitate the production of nitric oxide. If your metabolism allows for moderate carbohydrate intake, incorporating these legumes can be a wonderful way to diversify your nutrient intake and provide sustained energy. However, they should be chosen carefully based on your individual health goals, particularly if you are currently pursuing a ketogenic or very low carbohydrate lifestyle for specific metabolic reasons. Ninth, berries such as blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries are essential for their high concentration of antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins. These compounds are known for their ability to support the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF. BDNF is essentially fertilizer for your brain, promoting the growth of new neurons and the strengthening of synaptic connections. This is vital for your physical health because your ability to maintain balance and coordinate complex movements is entirely dependent on the quality of the signal sent from your brain to your legs. By protecting your nervous system and reducing neuroinflammation, berries help bridge the gap between cognitive function and physical motor control. Finally, number 10 is the avocado, perhaps one of the most perfect foods in existence. It is packed with monounsaturated fats, fiber, vitamin B6, and vitamin E. These healthy fats serve as a neutral, stable energy source that helps replace the inflammatory, processed fats found in modern diets. Vitamin B6 is particularly important for the synthesis of neurotransmitters, ensuring that your nervous system can communicate effectively with your limbs. Avocados support cardiovascular health by improving blood flow and reducing inflammation, which in turn ensures that your muscles receive the steady supply of oxygen and nutrients they need to grow, recover, and remain powerful well into your later years. By integrating these 10 foods into your daily routine, you are doing more than just eating. You are building the biological infrastructure necessary to remain strong, balanced, and capable for the rest of your life.